Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your code on the MTG Arena game or the Magic the Gathering Arena game account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem a code or redeem the code, you put this on the MTG Arena game online from your computer. First open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in my accounts .wizards.com like this and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to this home page or the login page of Wizards of the Coast, which hosts the game MTG Arena. And after you enter your email and your password over here like this, also you can log in with your Steam account if you have authenticated it, and if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through the procedure to retrieve your password. Click on login after entering your password and email, and you'll be directed to the profile page of the Wizards of the Coast. And over here you can see on the right side of the screen there is redeem a code option available over here. Click over there and type the code which you have or which you possess on, and after that, typing it over here, click on redeem. Then the net worth value of that, either if it's an item or some battle points, it will be redeemed on your account. And there guys, this is how you redeem your code on MTG Arena or Magic the Gathering Arena game. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.